Okay, I'm going to show you how to basically draw or sketch a tower. So you're going to start with a new part, and let's stop and we're going to start in the top plane, show that top plane, and then make sure your units down here, inch, pound, seconds. Alright, to start off, under features, you got reference geometry here. We're going to create 3 other planes that are referenced to this plane. So we're going to go to reference geometry, plane, and then click on this plane, and you're going to make 3 other planes a certain distance apart from this plane. So from right here where it says D1, I'm going to go 3 inches, and then I'm going to do 3 of those. Okay, so you have those 3 planes from the top plane. Accept that. Alright, so you got top plane, plane 1, plane 2, plane 3. And it's going in the positive Y here. Alright, so click on the top plane, start a sketch, alright. And then we're going to start a line. Now make sure that that line is coincident with the origin. Click, drag it horizontal, click, and it's just going to be a basic triangle. And we're going to make this an equilateral triangle. I'm going to set the base dimension here at, let's say, 5 inches. Alright. Then I'm hitting escape, holding my control key down, selecting this line, and selecting this one. And I'm going to put those all equal to each other. Alright. So these are the relations: coincident, horizontal, equal. Notice now that that triangle is fully defined. Alright, now I want to copy this sketch to each one of these other planes. So I'm going to use a green box or the blue box. One's a window, one's a crossing window. And then hit Control C on my keyboard for copy. Then you're going to close the sketch. Alright. Then you're going to select plane 1, and you're going to start a sketch on plane 1, and then you're going to hit Control V for paste. Now it may not look like it's on that plane, but it really is. So then all I'm going to do is drag the vertex here to the correct origin, because I want all these sketches to line up perfectly on top of each other. Alright, then I'm going to close that one out. I'm going to do the same thing for plane 2 and plane 3. So again, sketch, Control V for pasting, drag that vertex to the origin. Close that sketch, select plane 3, Control V to, oh, it closed the sketch on me, so I'm editing the sketch. Alright, it's very important that all 3 of these align perfectly on top of each other. So if I select plane 3 and I click normal 2, whoa, what happened there? Let me undo. Oh, okay, so it moved that. So I'm going to go back into, just in case that happens, like it just happened to me, I'm going to go back into the plane that's messed up. This sketch here, edit that sketch. I'm going to drag that vertex back to the origin, make sure it snaps into that origin. Alright, now if I go my spacebar, top view, notice they all line up perfectly. Alright. Now basically we just have this is called a wireframe structure. Now I want to draw something on, I want to draw some columns here on the front base of these triangles. So I'm going to go back to features, I'm going to go reference geometry, I'm going to make another plane, and then it's asking first reference, second reference, third reference. I'm going to reference this point, this point, and any one of these other points, because it's 3 points to find a plane, those 3 points. You can use any of those 3 points along there. I'll accept that. Then I'm going to start a sketch on that plane. Again, line entities. I'm going to make one column here. Okay, hit escape. So there's a vertical column right there. Right here, another vertical column. Then I'm going to create some cross members that just go like this. All right, I like that. Now, again, I'm going to create another plane. You can see all these planes are, I mean, if this is getting confusing to you, you can hide some of these. So basically, I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to click there. I'm going to hide that plane so you guys can see this stuff a little bit easier. All right, here's my basic wireframe structure now. Now I want to create sketches on this face of my tower. So again, back to features, reference geometry, plane, 1, 2, and this one. Accept that. Start a sketch on that plane. Line. I'm going to go from that point to that point. Make sure it is snapping to those points. Okay, accept that. Now I've got one more side of my tower that's not finished. And again, back to features, reference geometry, plane. I'm going to grab this point, and this point. Again, this is creating that plane. Start a sketch. Now I don't have to create columns anymore because I did it on those other 2 planes. I just need to create cross members. And then accept that. Alright, so basically now I'll turn off or hide that plane and hide this plane. Alright, there is the basic wireframe structure of the towers that you're going to design. And this is just a demo to help you work around, model your design before you build.